Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the layer and converting that copy into a smart object so every fix stays reversible. Next, you zoom to 100% and inspect the jagged edges to see their direction and contrast, because how you remove them depends on edge hardness versus background detail. Once done, apply Filter Camera Raw Filter and reduce texture slightly. This softens micro roughness while keeping detail. Make sure to keep the original layer hidden, so you can toggle and compare as you proceed. You now isolate the object with Select Subject or a precise lasso, because targeting prevents blurring the entire photo. After selection, feather 1/2 to 2 pixels based on resolution, and open Select and Mask to increase smooth and a touch of feather while nudging Shift Edge inward if halos appear. Then, output to a new layer with Layer Mask, so your smoothing affects only edges. Make sure to use a low opacity clone or healing brush for any remaining pixels that still look staircase-like. Finish by refining contrast with Smart Sharpen set to low radius and reduce noise around 5–15% to regain crispness without reintroducing jaggeds. Then check for light halos and use layer matting to fringe 1 to 2 pixels if necessary, because that removes fringe without harming edges. If you still see artifacts, undo the last adjustments and reduce the smoothing values, and remember to work at high zoom while sampling. This helps you spot small issues and correct them with the healing brush on the masked layer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.